Vox has lots of different things that we've been able to bring on for our customers. We have a really great quality team that's CGMP, FDA audited, organic certified. So that quality team can help work one-on-one with our customers to make sure that they have everything they need to be successful. We also have an in-house design team that can help design the labels, potentially improve logos or design a logo. We can, print in-house. We can do 3D renderings. We have the ability to, in our bottling department, to be able to do custom sized bottles, custom count bottles, custom color bottles. We have a shipping department that will allow you to either ship to yourself, your FBA, or we actually have a sister company that's a fulfillment company that can help you kit your products and ship your products out one at a time.